every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to my food challenge where I'm trying Laura in the kitchen recipes for the very first time in front of the camera together with you. And today I'm going to try Laura's chocolate mousse. Now I've already tried two versions of it, I believe, both by Laura, of course. I wouldn't dare try any other recipe now. And I wonder how they will compare. So if you're curious to see how it actually goes, trying out the real, not some quick version of it, chocolate mousse recipe, how it looks and how it tastes in the very end, and actually, is it better than the current top chocolate mousse recipe I have? Thank you for watching. We are gonna need half a cup of heavy cream, 50 grams of bittersweet chocolate, 1 egg yolk, 1 egg white, 30 grams of sugar, 15 grams of butter, 1 tablespoon of water, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and quarter of a teaspoon of espresso powder. And for serving, we're gonna need some powdered sugar and some strawberries. I'm gonna start by whisking the heavy cream until it forms stiff peaks. And as Laura did it by hand, I'm gonna do as well. I truly don't like whipping the heavy cream. Man, it took me 12 minutes to reach this. Okay, if there are any heavy cream whipping experts there, what am I doing wrong? Like, should I do it fast or slow, like soft or strong? I don't know. It's a constant struggle for me in Lithuania. Okay, so now this will go into the fridge up to the moment when I need to use it. Second try. Well, second step, I should say. I'm gonna whisk now egg yolk, which kind of died on me, together with the sugar for a couple of minutes. Now, I'm sure this will be way better because I'm only on bad terms with the heavy cream. Okay, so this is what you're looking for, thick, pale consistency. And now the fancy part of the recipe starts. Now I'm gonna melt the chocolate over a double boiler, which basically means that I have a pot with a little amount of water there coming to a boil, and once the water actually comes to a boil, I'm gonna reduce the heat to as low as it goes because I don't really need the water boiling that much, but I need it to be hot. And then I'm gonna take a bowl and place it over the pot. Now the important part here is that the bottom of the bowl wouldn't touch the water. That's it. So once that happens, I'm gonna add everything into the bowl. So that's the chocolate, butter, espresso powder, and water. And then while mixing or stirring, wait, I have the whisking I wanted to say. Constantly, I'm gonna just wait for everything to melt and combine together. Okay, now the chocolate can be removed. I'm gonna take a couple of spatulafuls of the chocolate into the egg yolk mixture and then just whisk it in. I want to temper with the egg yolk mixture so that the egg wouldn't scramble. Once that's done, I'm gonna add it to the chocolate mixture along with the vanilla extract I'm gonna bring from there and just whisk everything to combine. Okay, and now the chocolate goes back onto the pot, and while whisking constantly, I'm gonna cook it for a couple of minutes. And now while my chocolate cools down, I do want it to cool down quite a bit, I'm gonna whisk the very last thing today, and that is the egg whites. My willpower is done for the day. I cannot whisk one more thing. I can! I'm just lazy, let's be honest. So I'm gonna use my handheld mixer and I'm gonna whisk the egg white until stiff peaks. For such a small dessert, I'm sure using lots of bowls. Okay, so now I have all the whisked things, and the last step is just to kind of fold them all together. And I'm being specific. Fold, people, fold, because we whisked really hard to make everything fluffy and with stiff peaks, and we don't really want to, you know, deflate all that. So into one of the bowls, I'm gonna add, or I have egg whites here, I have the heavy cream here, I have the chocolate here, so I'm just gonna add everything into one place and then carefully fold everything together. Oh my god, I want to whisk so bad because look, it's not really mixing that smoothly as Laura's did. Did my chocolate cool down too much? I don't know. Logically, I'm thinking, why can't I whisk? I mean, I whisked everything. Why can't I whisk the last thing? Should I just try it? Should I? And now the only thing left to do is actually to divide this among 2 serving bowls. Use whatever you fancy. I'm gonna use these cute 2 bubbly glasses. I'm trying to imagine how to divide it without, you know, like kind of making the sides of the glass dirty, but I'm sure it's manageable. Just cover these with some plastic wrap and put them into the fridge overnight because they need to set. Okay, let's see, I'm so curious. Ooh, okay, the texture looked so nice. Look at this. I was so afraid I over mixed. Ooh, that's cool. It's like that's how I imagine a cloud would taste like, texture-wise. I didn't screw up. I'm so happy. I barely resisted the wish to like whisk the whole thing together. Oh my god, it's so hard to resist this bite because I think I let the chocolate mixture cool down too long. I let it cool down for like 10 minutes. Definitely be aware of that. Once you let it cool down too much, I didn't think this will be an issue. But then it was really hard to mix it into the other 2, you know, whipped things. And so I was struggling, but my god, ooh, this is good. My god, the texture. Okay, I don't even know if it's still accurate to say that I'm not a sweets lover. I have a feeling trying as many desserts as I do on my food challenge, I kind of made my body used to all the sugars. I'm not dying for chocolate, but this texture, oh my god, this is really good. Really good. I was pretty sure that I will say in the end that the other version of the chocolate mousse would win. But you know what? This is worth all the plentifulness of bowls I used to whisk things in. But a really close second is Laura's, I don't remember the name, it's the quick version of the chocolate mousse. It's like a mock version almost. It's so much like quicker and like less to tidy, and it's super good as well. But my god, this texture, it won me over. Okay, stopping here. This will be a bomb though. I don't think I will be able to eat the whole thing. Maybe like half of it? Well, let's see. The texture, it's so good. Oh my god. This is how Laura's looks like. This is mine. I wish it would be darker though, like a deeper, richer, like chocolate color. But that's just speaking of things. It's so good. If you want to watch Laura make this like struggle-free, the video is there in the cards. If you have some time on your hands and would like to try and make a real chocolate mousse on your own, the recipe will be in the description box down below in both American and the metric system, so anybody and everybody could try this recipe. I am converting Laura's recipes into the metric system as I'm using one myself. So that being said, I'm actually really excited about this. I didn't think I will be, but this is my coffee break time. I have my coffee. I have my dessert. I'm a happy gal. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye!